Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can equip paths. This is the Gymstar Simulator for beginner. As you can see, this is my path. All you have to do now, just click paths, and this is a list of my paths. This is for a free paths, so you can upgrade from normal to shiny and rainbow. You need to craft. So here you can click equip, and as you can see, this is my path that keep following me to train in this gym. And in order to get this path, there are several ways. For example, this is the free path that you can get. You can visit this store, so you can hatch paths with only 20. So you can press E hatch one time, R hatch 3 times, or T for auto hatch, or you can use triple hatch, quick hatch, but you need to use Robux. And also, this is the 300 and this is the 2000 paths. So this is the index path that you can find. Normal, shiny, and rainbow category. And also there is a path quest. You can get this free path, but you have to complete the mission. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.